Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech HD. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect internet from your phone to PC via USB cable. So let's start the video. First of all, we need a phone, a USB cable and a PC to connect the internet. So as you can see, our PC is not connected to the internet. So let's connect it and see whether it is give internet access or not. So we need to connect the USB cable to our PC, and then we have to connect this type C in our phone. Now from here we need to go to setting. We have to go to setting, then we have to go to portable hotspot. From here we need to turn on USB threading. As we turn in on, you can see the PC is connected with the internet. If we turn it off again, then you will see the internet will be disconnected. As you can see, the internet is disconnected. If you turn it on again, and you can see the internet is connected. So let's test the internet whether it is giving internet or not. So let's open Firefox. Now we can type fast.com. As we press enter, so as you can see, it is providing internet. Now let's go to YouTube to see whether it is playing videos or not. So let's go to youtube.com and see whether YouTube is running or not. So as you can see, YouTube is running. Now we can type any video. So let's type how to ping an IP address and press enter. So as you can see, the internet is connected perfectly and the videos are playing very smoothly. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.